Hello everyone. Today, I would like to introduce to you an extremely powerful, durable business laptop that is suitable for both high-end work and entertainment needs. DELL Latitude 5540, a high-end laptop from the globally famous Dell brand. Powerful configuration, outstanding performance. Latitude 5540 is equipped with a 13th generation Intel Core i7 processor, i7-1355U, providing powerful performance but still saving power. Whether you work with heavy tasks such as data processing, programming, or video editing, the machine operates smoothly and stably. 64GB DDR4 RAM, extremely powerful multitasking. Not 8GB, not 16GB, but 64GB DDR4 RAM, allowing you to open dozens of browser tabs, run heavy software at the same time without lag. This is an ideal choice for high-level office workers, engineers, programmers, and even light gamers. 2TB PCI SSD hard drive, super fast storage, comfortable capacity. The Dell Latitude 5540 laptop has a PCI SSD hard drive with a huge capacity of up to 2 TB. This not only helps the machine boot up extremely quickly, but also helps you store hundreds of thousands of documents, images, and videos without worrying about running out of space. 15.6-inch Full HD screen, sharp images, more enjoyable work. The device is equipped with a 15.6-inch Full HD screen, 1920 by 1080, for realistic, sharp images. Whether you are working on documents, graphic design, or watching movies for entertainment, you will have a great visual experience. Intel Iris Xe graphics, smooth graphics, battery saving. With Intel Iris Xe graphics, Dell Latitude 5540 not only supports good office graphics tasks but also plays some light games, edits basic photos and videos smoothly. Backlit keyboard, works well at night. Do you often have to work at night? Don't worry. The backlit keyboard helps you type accurately and comfortably even in low-light environments. Windows 11 Pro operating system, secure and optimized for business. Latitude 5540 comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, the operating system version optimized for office workers and businesses, helping you better secure data and work more professionally. Modern gray design, elegant and luxurious. The case has a sophisticated dark gray color, a neat but still sturdy design, suitable for all working spaces from offices to coffee shops. Summary of key benefits. Extremely powerful configuration with i7-1355U, 64GB RAM, 2TB SSD. Sharp 15.6-inch FHD screen. Intel Iris Xe graphics card saves battery. Backlit keyboard, Windows 11 Pro. Luxurious design, suitable for professional environments. If you are looking for a high-end laptop for professional work, fast data processing, large storage, and durability for many years, then Dell Latitude 5540 is the top choice. The product is currently in stock, genuine warranty, installment support. Inbox now for advice and receive preferential prices today. Please click here.